Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Ulysses Lawson here of ulysseslawson.com, and this video right here is going to be a beginner's tutorial on how to get started with CPT Markets. I'm going to share all the steps that you need to go through for you to be able to open a trading account and start trading with a CPT Markets. I'm assuming that you already know what is CPT Markets. It's an online trading broker. It's where we can trade foreign currencies or forex, precious metals like gold, crypto, and stocks, things like that. And you're just here because you need a specific walkthrough or guide on how to get started. So I'm not going to bore you with lots of talking. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. So first thing that you have to do is you need to go to this page. This is the official sign up page of CPT Markets. And here, once you reach this page, if you're, of course, just an individual who wanted to get started CPT trading, then you should select individual and, of course, corporate if you're signing up on behalf of a corporation. So I'm just going to select individual. And here you need to fill out your personal details. And later, we're going to verify our account by submitting an ID. So it's important that whatever the details that you fill out here will match, or it should be the same with whatever the details that you have on your ID. So just fill out your first and last name, email, and your phone number, then create your password. And as you see here, I'm just using a random detail since this is just a tutorial. And once you're done filling out your personal details, you should also, never forget your password because that's your account access. You'll have to also agree here their privacy in terms and conditions. Just click on that and next. CPT Markets will then send you an email to confirm your registration. So just go to your email platform and you should receive a code there that you need to fill out in here. So here's the code that I got right here. Just simply copy and paste it to your sign up form. Hold on a moment. Just go back to your page and sign up page and then click verify. And here, this is the part that I mentioned earlier that we're going to submit an ID. It's actually just a self-explanatory process. You just have to select your preferred ID here. Let's just say if you want to use your driver's license ID, just need to take a picture of the front and the back side and upload it from here. And then next part, you do also need to fill out your information and like your address, etc. And it's just a self-explanatory process. So I guess I no longer have to share that in here. Just have to fill out your information, continue the process, and submit your ID. And your account should be verified within the same day, especially if you're signing up on business days. So as you see here, I'm not able to access the account yet since my account is not verified. So I'm going to share with you how it looks like on a verified account. So really, the first thing you need to do first is verify your account for you to be able to access this one right here, this tab right here, accounts, funds, reports, things like that. So just go ahead and pause this video, take a picture of your ID and submit it in here and wait until your account gets verified. And this is how verified account looks like. As you see here, I have all the access now, all the tabs here or the menus. I just actually created this account yesterday and it was verified within the same day, just like what I've mentioned or shared with you guys earlier. So this is your main dashboard. This is where you're going to manage your funds, create additional trading accounts, things like that, and also check market analysis. So CPT Markets dashboard is actually pretty straightforward. You see here deposit button if you'd like to start trading real money. So you have to deposit, and it depends on which country you're from. There should be multiple payment methods available for you to select from. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to share with you how you can connect your trading account to a trading platform, because the trading platform is a complete separate platform. That's where we're going to place our trades. But of course, it is synced with our CPT account. So whatever we do on our trading platform, it will be reflected in here real time. So again, if you're a beginner and you didn't have any previous trading experience, I would really recommend that you practice first using the demo account. And you're finally confident enough, you already learned the risk management, you already learned strategy, then that's the only time that you should trade using a live trading account. And of course, you have to make a deposit before you can trade real money. And so, just like what I've said, I'm just going to use the DEMA account here. And I don't have any DEMA account here yet. And if that is the case on your end as well, you just have to click this button, add DEMA account. And you can just leave all the details here as is because this is just a demo, and click add account. And you just have to refresh the page for you to be able to see your account details. So as you see here, this is the account number, and our trading platform is, of course, again, is MT4, and we have our leverage 1:100. Now, the good thing with CPT Markets is actually all the brokers out there, you can add multiple accounts if you prefer, like me to trader for in a later time. So let's just say if you already open a trading account right here and it's on MT4 trading platform, you can open and then choose your trading platform right here on a different trading platform. So MetaTrader 5, for example, or CTrader. So let's go ahead and connect our DEEM accounts to a trading platform. So for you to be able to do that, the first thing that you need to do is just go to platform. And from here, again, our DEEM account trading platform is MetaTrader 4. But of course, another time, if you already open a different account, if you have MT5, you have to make sure that you will select MT5 because MT4 and MT5 is a completely different trading platform. So from here, select MT4 since our demo account that we created is MT4, and whatever the type of device you're using, so you should select it from here. What I personally do, which I can also recommend to you guys to copy, is I'm using a MetaTrader on mobile. And what I'm going to do is this is where I'm going to map out my strategy or look for the best trading setup. This tool right here is called Trading View. I'm just going to also leave the link in the video description for you to be able to access this tool right here. So this is where I map out my strategy and check the direction of the market, and I place my trade and manage my trade using a mobile app of MetaTrader. And again, for you to be able to log in to your trading platform like MetaTrader 4 for mobile, you have to have this account details. So this is your login and of course your password. You can even change it from here. And if you need a tutorial on how to log into your trading platform, I will just have a separate video in the video description. But here's how you place a trade. Once you have successfully logged into your MT4 for mobile, then you're good to go ahead and start practicing trading. So again, this is where you can map out your strategy, check the direction of the markets. So if you don't have a strategy yet, then you have to learn one. So you have to learn risk management, trading psychology, things like that. I actually have a blog post about that and it's on my website. I'm just going to have the link as well in the video description. So this is something, a blog post about how to get started trading, and this is specifically about the Philippines, but also included things here. This one right here, things beginners must know before trading real money. So see here, risky, I start with demo account. I always suggest that with my viewers, learn how leverage works, things like that. But this is what you do. I'm just going to maybe create a separate video tutorial on how to use TradingView. As you see here, this is where you can select your currency pairs that you wanted to trade or trading pairs. To say I'm just going to trade forex. So as you see here, I have USD GPY, but you can also search here whatever the type of instruments that you want to trade. So let's just say I'm going to trade gold. This is one of the most popular instruments that traders are trading. As you see here, the market is downtrend. And again, you have to learn a strategy. You can either, check out YouTube videos or enroll yourself to a decent course out there, because this video primarily just about CPT markets, like on how to get started with CPT markets. As here, the market's downtrend and trend is your friend, so don't trade against it. But this is how you place a trade. The first thing that you have to do is you have to calculate your position. This is your lot size. It's important that you calculate based on your equity. So your account currency, base currency is USD. You have to fill out your balance here. So let's just say 5,000 because that's what we have on our demo account. That's the amount, 5,000. And risk percentage per trade, it should be within 1 or 2%. Maximum is 2% per trade. So it means that you're risking 2% out of your 5,000 balance if the market is actually going against your speculation. Stop loss in pips. So for us to be able to get the stop loss in pips, you have to go to your a trading view. And then, of course, the first thing is select your preferred trading instruments or currency pairs that you want to trade. And from here, this tool right here, you can select this long position if you're going to place a buy trade and short for a sell trade. So let's just say I'm going to place a buy trade on this currency pair right here. This is where you'll be able to see the number in pips of your stop loss. So I'm just going to have that in there. And my take profit will be the last high. And should be around this one, my stop loss. You can actually measure your stop loss in pips using this ruler right here. And just click that and then to the bottom part. And as you see here, I have 24.7 stop loss, this one right here. So Euro USD, then go back to our calculator here. And I'm just going to round it off to 25. And this is my lot size. So on your MetaTrader 4, this is the lot size that you're going to use since this account right here is a standard account. So if you're going to lose out of your $5,000 account balance, if the market is actually going against your speculation, you lose $100. So this is the 2% of 5,000. So that's how you calculate or, do risk management on your account for you to avoid blowing up your account. So I guess that's it, since our video is really primarily addressing beginners in how to get started in CPT markets. If you still have questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Have a nice day and good luck.